What's good, Bit Rushers? It's Kyler, and today's video is going to be a bunch of announcements and updates. If that sounds good, stick around. First, you know what to do. Sub to the channel, bell for notifications. Join me on Twitter, at BitRush9000. Join the Telegram group, also at BitRush9000. Links in the description. Let's get into the content. Okay, guys, if you are not familiar, we do have a Bybit tutorial that I just did, or not a full tutorial, but just an intro to leverage trading 101, and that will be linked in the description and should be popping up above. I did have a promo for you guys, and that does run until November 25th. It is USDT 30% off, gives you 30% off of your trading pairs. However, if you want to trade on the straight Bitcoin pair, you can now do that, which is a different pair, right? So you come here and we have that. And to trade on the Bitcoin pair, if you want, you can get a bonus of up to $620. Okay, so how that's going to work is by putting any amount of Bitcoin in, you're going to get a $20 minimum, no requirement bonus. You can then get up to $500 for your net deposit. If you deposit 0.05 Bitcoin, you're going to get $50. 0.1 Bitcoin is $100. 0.5 Bitcoin is $300. And 1.5 Bitcoin deposit gives you $500. So that $500 plus the 20 is $520. And then if you use the code in the rewards hub, win $500, you'll get an additional $100 reward bonus. So up to $620 rewards trading on that Bitcoin pair right now, guys. And as I mentioned, the USD Tether, if you're still using that promo, that does run until November 25th. Okay, so lots of good action going on, guys, there. If we check out our chart here, let's go to the 30-minute and zoom out a little bit. It looks like we're trying to reach that high again that we had just a few days ago of up into the 1600s. And from there, we could potentially see another correction back down. Might be a good time to short. We could also see a a rocket point, right? Like that could be the point. Sometimes they build up to here and they get to those points and then they just rocket up, just like we did right here where we came up, we kind of consolidated across Bart Simpson a little while and then just shot straight up. So are we looking for another upward movement or another consolidation? It's up to you guys. As always, leverage trading is not for beginners. Do your own due diligence. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. But if you do want to leverage trade, I do have a link in the description for a $90 bonus, and you can get all of these additional bonuses I just mentioned. Okay, so let's close that down. Okay, moving on to BepSwap and RUNE. Some of you may have seen that video I just did the other day talking about providing liquidity there. And it just so happens that they did actually add a whole bunch of liquidity into the Bitcoin pair, right? So this Bitcoin pair now up quite a bit of money here. If we come back to my chart, look at that. It's gone straight up from here. And they added a bunch of liquidity into that pair for Bitcoin. And now Trust Wallet, okay? So if you guys are in my group, I mentioned Trust Wallet the other day that I was bullish on TWT, the Trust Wallet token. They're now going to do the same thing for the pair on Trust Wallet. So if we come to BepSwap and we come to the Trust Wallet token here and we click Manage, you can add liquidity into this pool. I don't have my wallet connected, but I do have some added. As you can see, I went ahead and added about $400, $427 worth of liquidity to that pool. And the RUNE team is going to be dumping a whole bunch of RUNE into that pool. I believe it's 20,000 RUNE. So I already got rewarded on the Bitcoin version. And now they're going to do it on Trust Wallet. So just giving you guys a heads up, if you want to earn some extra Trust Wallet and get some extra rewards, make sure you're staking on the RUNE and Trust Wallet pair on BepSwap, okay? And then a bonus, this is a bonus announcement because I was planning on just announcing the Trust Wallet and how they had done the liquidity dump on the Bitcoin pair. And what do you know, this morning we have another announcement, and this one's even bigger. So this is what I've been waiting for, guys. If you did watch that video, you know I'm bullish on RUNE for this very reason. When we get the cross-chain working with the real Bitcoin, not the BNB wrap Bitcoin, this thing's going to be huge. And so what RUNE announced is that the highly anticipated public Bitcoin testnet swaps and pools with native Bitcoin. So they launched the multi-cross-chain, I forgot what it's called, multi-cross-chain net or whatever, but it's only in testnet, okay? So if you guys want, you can go get some test RUNE. They have a faucet, and you can start messing around with the cross-chain, swapping between Bitcoin's chain and BNB's chain, and I'm almost positive they're going to have Ethereum here pretty soon. So if you guys want to just mess around, I may make another video doing something with this, doing some test swaps and some things like that. But I just did want to shout it out in today's video since it's an announcement video and we had a bonus announcement. Why not, right, guys? So there we go. Multi-cross-chain testnet from RUNE BepSwap is out. And finally is the announcement for land on the Sandbox. You've been following any of my Sandbox videos. You guys know I am looking forward to that third pre-sale, or the final pre-sale, and it is tomorrow. So if you're seeing this video today, it is November the 11th at 6:44 in the morning. So I just looked up the time for this. November 12th, 1 p.m. GMT is going to be 6 a.m. my time. So basically right now, about a half an hour ago tomorrow. I'm going to try to get on. I may try to live stream it. I might just record it and edit it, but I am going to try to get some land, guys. If you guys are interested in getting land and being a landowner on the Sandbox, this will be your last chance to get it before it goes public, okay? So the thing to think about public land is it's going to be at a higher price, one. And two, you're going to maybe have to reset. Like, once it goes public, people can just buy it all, right? I don't know. They might save some. I imagine they would actually be smart of them to release it time, to not release all of their land at once to the public. But if they release it to the public, some whales can just come along and basically buy all of it. And then you're up to the, mercy of what the market is. And yeah, just highly recommend, guys, if you're gonna play this game, if you're gonna be in the Sandbox, definitely recommend buying some land pre-sale and not waiting until the public sale. You're gonna have to pay way more. So let's just see, 10% discount. You'll only be able to purchase lands with sand. The first round purchase premium lands with exclusive assets. There'll also be premium assets from the Smurfs. Yep, so the Smurfs are gonna be dropping some stuff. So these premium assets, I guess, are the ones that are around the different areas here. I'm guessing that's what that is. And yeah, if you want to get, you can get each premium land, includes one common, one rare, one epic, and one legendary premium asset. Scarcity of 200 copies. And so here it is. This kind of shows you the parcel size, land size, discounts. So, how to get sand? You can buy it on Binance. Cool. You can also swap it on Uniswap. I have a video kind of covering that where I do for the staking. They did stop staking the sand, so you can no longer stake your sand. But you can still provide liquidity on Uniswap, and that's actually what I'm doing with my sand. So I still have it on Uniswap. I'm gonna have to switch it out and get those LP tokens switched in for my actual sand. So I'm ready to buy tomorrow. It says you can buy in sand or Ethereum, but then some of the things say you need sand. So I'm not really sure what the deal is. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have both. Okay, I'm gonna have both some sand and some Ethereum in my wallet. And when it launches, I'm ready no matter what. But that's it for today, guys. I hope you did like this video. Just a quick little updates and announcement video. We have that promotion from Bybit. You can get an extra $620. We have the announcement from RUNE. They're going to be dumping some liquidity on the Trust Wallet token pair, as well as just launch their testnet version of the multi-cross chain swap. And tomorrow morning, bright and early, if you are in US time, we do have that last pre-sale for land on the Sandbox. And if you're on European time, it'll probably be coming pretty soon. It might be right after you see this video. You might be waking up seeing this video, and then it's pretty quick after there. But yeah, guys, that's everything for today. I hope you did enjoy this video. If you did, please do me a favor and smash the thumbs up. It does help. If you like my channel, please do sub and click the bell to be notified on future content. Share with any friends or family you think may also like the video. Happy mining, happy staking, happy crypto. Let's get that coin.